Salute. Checky Ma. We're gonna work on that cover up at the bottom. I mean, let's see.
Everybody got a story. Everybody feels like a daytime, but it's my time. Damn right, I'm gonna shine.
Papi.
Is he at the gate?
I don't know where he at. Look how beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta get out with family and just chill, you know? So much bad stuff going on in the city. It's good to get out, chill. You know? Happy 4th, y'all. Feel me?
Catch us on the jet skis real quick. We about to be on these jet skis.
I'm gonna put y'all right on. Put y'all right on.
4th of July, man. What we doing? Who we got,
man?
We about to ride the jet skis.
What y'all gonna do? You gonna bang out again? No, that's the real question.
How was I'm not.
Oh.
All right, look, the bang out was
He got the real mic. He got the real
Yeah.
The bang out was a little
We in
crazy,
the mix.
bro.
The bang out was crazy work,
crazy,
bro.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was a little crazy, man. I gotta redeem myself.
You
for
gotta
that one.
redeem yourself.
Yeah, for that drive,
Yeah, I mean,
redeem myself.
You gotta
But
get in the
watch,
mix.
Next time I ain't gonna come here hot like that. We just
Right.
gonna pull it up,
What you
turn
gotta
the
do?
engine
What you gotta do? What's the rules?
We gotta pull out.
What you gotta do? Pull out, bro.
Pull out.
Staying in, bro.
Apply that to everything in
Right,
life.
right,
Make sure
right.
you pull out.
Pull
Even
out.
if it's last
You
minute,
feel me?
Make sure you pull out.
Tell him, man, he tripping.
Hey, number one game in life.
You
Pull
feel
out.
me?
Pull out. Right now, we about to take
He talking to Pop. Let me see, put him on. Let me see. He FaceTiming? Look at Pop. Oh, that's a little out of focus. Let me see Pop. Hey, you coming?
here.
Hey.
Right there. All right, then we gonna take you back. Call free. All right, yeah, they gonna help. They gonna help.
What y'all about to do? Y'all taking them back? It's over? Yeah, it's over. It's over. Nah, man.
Check us out. We down at Pier.
You already know.
Come out for a jet ski ride. Come out for a boat ride. We got the yacht rental.
You feel me?
All, man.
What's
Right
your IG?
here,
What's your IG?
My IG, SS West. Holla at me at
Let's
SS
get it.
West. Y'all need some electrical work done? West Electric. Holla at me.
Let's get it. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. That's all we do, baby. Milano made it, baby. Yeah, man. Dip out, dip out. Look, they turned over there. Lovebirds. That's what it's about. Family, chilling, you know what I mean? Can't beat it. Can't beat it. We Gucci. Salute. Turn, baby. Pop over there with the John on, you know what I mean? Let's get it.
What's this? Don't even tell me.
That John going, baby. That's what you know what I mean? You feel me? Vibes. Vibes. And there's some small Jones over there. Pause. What? The beer? Lucky. Lucky. Fire. Right behind them. Man, that look like Mickey Mouse. See it? Man, this light is on. Grand finale. Grand finale. Whoa. Whoa. Let's go. Let's go. This is a happy place. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That was dope. Happy 4th, y'all. Happy 4th, YouTube. Milano made it, baby.
Blow the whistle.
Hey. All right, we back in the mix. You know what it is. Experience. About to work on my boy Edgar. We got some fire we about to do today. St. Michael work. Stay tuned. You already know. Milano made it. All right, so we got the stencil on. Check him out. We're going to work on that cover up at the bottom. But it's laid proper. Let's see the back side one more time. Yeah. Looking good. All right, show us the front real quick. Remember, this is all healed up. This is what we adding to. Jesus Peace, Mary work. St. Michael on the back side. Tune in, baby. All right, as you can see, we already started the cover up area. The right side where the leg is. We're getting that done. You can see the previous tattoo in there. The sword with the snake, that's about to be gone. We'll keep you guys updated. I want to talk to you guys about cover-ups in general, okay? Always have a plan when you're going into a piece. Sometimes it's good to freehand and work with what you got, but when you have a plan, you can execute the cover-up way better, okay? So what I like to do is use different tones of grays in order to create texture so that the previous tattoo is easily coverable. Now with that, I do not use the pendulum technique. I'm kind of random with my shading because it works best. Yeah, I mean, they look crazy. We locked in. You know what time it is. We locked in today.
You can't even tell the last tattoo.
Yup, that thing gone. That thing gone. I mean, you feel me? We locked. Yeah, let me get some good videos for y'all. All right, we're gonna do a shot, $50 shot. You know how I go. If you make it, you get $50 off, man. Hold on, make sure we get the right angle. Get a couple, you can take 1/2 step up. 1/2, right there. There you go. We're gonna make it even. We're gonna make it even. Do your practice, you know what I mean? Let's see. Oh, almost. We got a loser. Good try, though. Good try, bro. All right, listen, my client made it. We was by ourselves today, but we got it done. I hope y'all enjoyed. The piece came out crazy, crazy. My client was ecstatic. Listen, who made it? Milano made it, baby. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it.
Let's get it, boy.
And I definitely didn't forget. We're announcing the next winner, next video. Stay tuned. Let's catch a vibe. You know what I mean? And see if you won. Let's get it.